We're in the courtyard area of Firethorne Apartments, 1320 to 1370 Brook Street. And we're going to meet up with Monica in a minute here to show us through an apartment. This is the courtyard area. Obviously, the pool is still closed, but you can see it's a nice pool and patio. The lawn chairs are down in the back there, all covered up. But let's go meet up with Monica and take a walk through. Okay, here's Monica. Let's meet up and go inside and look at this apartment.
Hello, let's go, guys. We're on the first floor, so no steps, no stairs. And welcome and come on in. We are at 1340 C Brook Street. With a nice, spacious 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the main floor. Nice patio. It's a little bit like okay, and then we move into the kitchen area with a nice dinette dining area. So we have nice upgraded cabinets, all stainless steel appliances, electric stove, nice granite countertops, and wonderful pantry storage area. So a lot of room to store your food. Okay. And that's the living room again. And this unit is ADA approved. So we have it's wheelchair accessible, spacious bathroom, bathtub. We have wider doors for easy access for the handicapped people. We're in a 2nd bedroom. Unit has central heat and AC, a thermostat right here, so you control your own heat and AC. And we enter master bedroom. Great size. Closet on the left. Master bathroom with a stand-up shower. And also linen closet. Perfect storage for your towels. Laundry in a unit, full-size washer and dryer.